Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the online class. So from today we are going to start types of matrix. Okay. So there are many types of matrix. We will be discussing one by one. Okay. So let us study. First one is row matrix. First one is what? Row matrix. Row matrix means what? When we are having only one row in a matrix, then that is called row matrix. Okay, like 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the example of row matrix because we are having only one row. See, although we are having 4 columns here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns, but we are having only one row. Okay, so this is also example 6, 7, 5. This is also example of row matrix because we are having only one row. Only one row. The horizontal line is called row. Okay. Now second one is column matrix. Column matrix. Column matrix means what? In a matrix, when there is only one column, then that is called column matrix. Okay, suppose 5, 6, 7. So when you put this number in matrix, and if you are having only one column, see, vertical line is your column, no? So only one column. Although we are having 3 rows, you can see, but we are having only one column. Okay, so this is example of column matrix. Okay, this is also examples 5, 7, 8, 9. You can put in matrix. Then this is what? Example of column matrix, because in this particular matrix we are having only one column. Okay. Now diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix is what? See, in a matrix, okay, all these are elements, no? These are element 1, element 2, like this only. So, these elements are called diagonal elements. Okay, these are called what? Diagonal elements. Okay, so this one is what? Your diagonal elements. Now, what is diagonal matrix? Diagonal matrix means what? If in a matrix only diagonal elements are present and rest of the elements are 0, then this particular matrix is called diagonal matrix. Okay, when only diagonal elements are there and rest of the elements are 0, then this is called diagonal matrix. Okay. Now next one is scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. Scalar matrix means what? Scalar matrix means in a diagonal matrix, okay? Diagonal matrix means what? Only diagonal matrix are present and rest of the elements are 0. Okay, that is diagonal matrix. But in diagonal matrix, only diagonal elements are present, but that is true. All the diagonal elements are if similar, then that is called scalar matrix. Okay, scalar matrix. Now unit matrix. Unit matrix. Okay. Unit matrix means in a matrix when diagonal matrices are similar, and that is to only unit one. Okay, that is called your unit matrix. Okay, this see. Okay, this is also example of unit matrix. See, all the diagonal elements are there in a diagonal matrix where all the diagonal matrices are unit one, that is called unit matrix. Okay, this is unit matrix when all the diagonal elements are one. See, now null matrix. Okay, null matrix. Null matrix. Null matrix, that is also called zero matrix. Zero matrix. Zero matrix. Okay, zero matrix means what? In a matrix when all the elements are zero, when all the elements in a matrix are zero, then that is called what? Null matrix or zero matrix. Okay, so this is also example of zero matrix or null matrix. Next one is square matrix. Square matrix. Okay. SQUARE. Square. Okay. Square matrix. Square matrix is what? When we are having same number of columns and same number of rows. When in a matrix when there are same number of rows and columns, then that is automatically called square matrix, like 2, 6, 7, 8. So we are having 2 rows here and 2 columns. This is square matrix. Okay, so this is another example, like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 6, 7, 8. So we are having 3 rows here, 1, 2, 3, and 3 columns here. You can see. So this is square matrix, 3 into 3. No, same number of rows and columns. Then this is called square matrix. Okay. Now, transpose matrix. Transpose matrix. Transposed matrix. Okay, which is denoted by AT. Okay, or you can also denote by A dash. Okay, A dash. So suppose A is your matrix, because A symbolize your matrix. A is equal to, suppose, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now if you have to transpose 8, then how are you going to do? A T, or you can write A dash, simply A dash is equal to, just transpose it. You just change this particular row and column. Okay, this row should be down and this column should be up. Okay, mathi ra tala change garnu. Okay, like see, you can see 5. Okay, 7 mathi lajau, 6 lai muni lajau, 8. This is transpose of matrix. Changing rows and columns is a transpose of matrix. Okay, we'll do further one example. Suppose this is a matrix. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 5, 2, 3, 6, 9 1. Okay, this is a matrix. If now you have to transpose it down, 8 dash is equal to, you just change row and column. Okay, 6 5 2. I took this particular column here. Okay, and now you take this thing down, 7 8. Okay, now 3, take 9 here, 9. Okay, now 6 1. Okay, so यो माथिकोलाई तल लग्यो, तलकोलाई माथि लग्यो. Okay, now 3 बस्यो, 6 लाई तल ल्यायो, 9 लाई माथि लग्यो. Okay, so this is transpose of matrix. Simply this is what transpose of matrix. Now next is symmetric. Symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. Okay, symmetric matrix. Okay, example of symmetric matrix is this thing. 1 2 3 minus 2 4 2 3 2 6. See, जुन चाहिँ यो डायगोनल एलिमेन्ट्स देखि छ, यो डायगोनल एलिमेन्ट देखि माथि र तल जब सेम छ भने त्यसलाई चाहिँ डायगोनल मेट्रिक्स. सी -2 -2. ओके, 3 3 2 2. यो जब डायगोनल एलिमेन्ट देखि माथि र मुनि चाहिँ एउटै छ भने चाहिँ त्यसलाई भन्छ सिमेट्रिक म्याट्रिक्स. ओके, दैट इज व्हाट सिमेट्रिक म्याट्रिक्स. Okay, hope you understood these types of matrix. So in next lecture we will be discussing about many other aspects of matrix. Thank you very much. Once again welcome dear students. So from today onwards we are going to start doing problems. Okay, so in this particular question we have given two matrices. Okay, matrix A and matrix B. So from these particular matrices we have to find A dash. Okay, A dash means A transpose, then A transpose. Okay, you have to transpose A, then you have to again transpose that, then 2A, then 2A transpose, then 2A transpose. All you have to do. This is very simple. Okay, let us do it. Now solution. Okay, so let us first start finding A dash. Okay, A dash is equal to what? You just have to transpose A. Okay, so what is A dash? Okay, so let's given is A is equal to 2 minus 1 3 1 3 2. Okay, so this is given, you have to transpose it. You just change row and column. So 2, okay, minus 1 3, then 1 3 2. This is your A transpose. Okay, this is your just A transpose. You have just transpose it. You have change rows and column. When you just change row and column, it will be transpose of matrix. Okay, now second question is what? You have to find A transpose and transpose. Okay, so since A, now you have to find what? A transpose. Okay, now since your A transpose was 2 minus 1 and 3, okay, 1 3 2. This is your A transpose. Now you have to transpose this again. Okay, that means A transpose is equal to, you change this again. Now you change rows and column. It will be 2 minus 1 3. Okay, 2 1 minus 1 3. No, then 1 3 2. Right, 1 3 2. Okay, it brought here. Okay, so this is your simply A transpose. Okay, now next is what? You have to find 2A now. 2A. Okay, so 2A is equal to what? 2 into your matrix. 2 minus 1 3 1 3 2. Okay, you just multiply inside. 4 2 into 2 4 minus 2 6. Okay, 2 6 4. So this is your 2A. This is your what? 2A. Now what else you have to find? 2A dash. Okay, is equal to what? So you need A dash. A dash is equal to 2, right? 1 minus 1 3 3 2. This is your A dash. Now you have to find 2A dash is equal to 2 1 minus 3, sorry, minus 1 3 3 2 is equal to 4 2 minus 2 6 6 2. Okay, this is your what? This is your what? 2A dash. 2A dash. Okay, 2A dash is equal to how much? 4 2 minus 2 6 minus 2 6. This is 2, no, this is 4. So this is 4. Okay, this is 4. 6 and 4. So this is how you have to calculate.